For this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Google form for purposes of using it as a test or a quiz in the classroom. So first of all, I've done a search on Google Forms. I will click on the result, and I will click immediately on this page into Go to Google Forms. And once that spins its way there, we come up to a screen with several options. One is I can immediately go to a blank form, which is what we'll be doing for this video. But also, if I have recently worked with a form, maybe I started one yesterday and didn't finish it, recent forms that I've worked on would be down here. I could click on that and either resume, or if it's a completed one, could just go to it. Also, I could search if I know the name of the form I'm looking for. For the purposes of this, showing how to set up a form for the parameters of being a quiz, I will click on blank. And once that opens, it's now an untitled form. I know the title I want to use is for a novel that I teach called Death Watch. This is the chapters 12, 14 quiz. And I'm using this simply because I have a full version that I can click to after I show the setup. Once I hit enter, I can click down here and the title comes down there as well. All changes will be saved in my drive, as you can see up here. And it gives me the option to type in the first question. Before doing that, I want to go over to my settings and set this up as a quiz. So I'll click on the settings wheel. General information, presentation, and quizzes come up as three options. We're going to do a little something in each one of those. First of all, I will want to click yes. For my purposes, I like to collect the student email addresses. That way, I know at the very top when I look at the results screen, it's so-and-so. Ours is first initial last name at our school district's website. I can see exactly who that is. I limit to one response. Occasionally, there might be a need to allow more than one response on a retake or something of that sort. But for this, I'm doing one. And I don't allow my students to edit after submit or see summary charts and text responses. Moving over to presentation, show progress bar. Students can see they're in question 5 of 10, 6 of 15, whatever the case may be. And I do shuffle the question order simply because it enables me to know that my students aren't just going question for question with the person near them. No matter how much we rotate during class, we can't always see everything. So this enables, it's a great teacher tool, enables you to know that your students are going to be on different questions at different times. I'll click then on the quiz tab. I'm going to click to make this a quiz. And I have several options that come up for me there. Release grade. I tend to let my students see their grade immediately after they submit it. I want that immediate feedback. It's a nice feature of this. And the respondent can also see their missed questions. The option of correct answers is there. I uncheck that simply, once again, as far as a cheating strategy. I don't want a student to see a question they missed and whisper to a friend, hey, make sure you have this for that question. And I do allow them to see the point values. Once I have done all of that, I will click Save. And for all intents and purposes, my quiz form is now set up. And when you check out my next video, entering questions into a Google Form quiz, you'll find out where we go from there.